And welcome back. Let's head to the pool where fresh from winning a record 56 medals comprising 21 gold, 19 silver and 16 bronze at the 38th Carifta Aquatics Championships in Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica's team returned home today.
As the Jamaican swimmers walked through the arrival terminal at the Norman Manley International Airport, signs of fatigue were evident, but the sense of accomplishment was visible. The swimmers brought home 11 more than the 45 medals secured at the 2024 edition. Coach Kafia Rapley was not surprised that the athletes delivered more medals this time around.
I know the athletes were prepared. We were always in contact with them. I know that they were prepared from our squad training that you visited. We saw that they were in shape and it was proven at this competition.
One standout performer was Kai Lawson, who secured 6 individual medals, 2 gold, 3 silver and a bronze to finish third in the girls' 11 to 12 Carifta rankings on 58 points.
I'm feeling very proud of myself especially because last year I only got like a 3rd place, which was in a relay, but this year I got about a lot of individual medals. I also got like 2 gold individual medals, which I'm very proud of myself. I also got a national record.
Arush Rushlani, who competed in the boys 13 to 14 category, also won an individual medal, taking silver in the 200-meter butterfly.
I'm feeling very good about my performance. I was able to drop time in most of my races, and one of my favorite races that I did was my 200 fly. I went from 226 to 219, and that for me was my race of the swim meet.
Emmanuel Spence, who competed at her first Carifta Championships, gained a bronze in the girls' 11 to 12 50-meter breaststroke.
I'm very excited and I'm very proud of my contribution, and I was really excited to represent my country, and I was really proud of individually medaling in the 50-meter breaststroke because I've been working really hard towards that race.
State Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister, Homer Davis, filled in for Sports Minister Olivia Grange to welcome home the swimmers.
We can only go from strength to strength, and with the support of the parents, the government, and in general Jamaica, our swimming athletics, our swimming prowess is reaching to a point where we can challenge the world.
Davis's son and team captain Benjamin was a member of the boys 15 to 17 200-meter freestyle relay team that set a new national age group record. The other members of the team were Brady Lewison, Noah Barrett and Julian Willoughby.
We're all reminding them that they put in the hard work already, and that all they needed to do was go out there and execute. You know, we've been training hard leading up to these games, and that was mainly it. And the 4 affirmations that we went by throughout the entire meet: I believe, I am worthy, I deserve to be here, and I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Coach Rapley sent a strong message.
We're showing the Caribbean that we're back and we're here to compete and we're here to win, and compete and win we did.
Jamaica ended the championships in 2nd position on 795.5 points, with the Bahamas first on 979 points, and host nation Trinidad and Tobago third on 735 points. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.